I wanted to make a really quick video just to show you about a tool I recently discovered, Vocaroo. So, Vocaroo is an online video recorder. To access it, you're just going to go to vocaroo.com. And it's a very, very simple tool, but it's really useful and can be embedded pretty much anywhere on the web, which I really like. So, to begin here, you just come to this website and you get a little bit of information as well as a record button, and then there are some settings. So you can choose to remove background noise if you want, and also auto adjust volume, which is quite nice. But really, all you do is hit the record button and you start recording. So you might have to give it permissions the first time you use it. So I'm just going to allow it, and then it's going to start recording. And what's really nice is you can record for pretty much an unlimited amount of time. I haven't figured out if there's any sort of limit on in terms of recording so far. So I think this could be really a useful tool for, say, student podcasting, or any sort of place where you need audio and you need audio to be recorded for a good length of time. Now, you can pause while you're recording, so that's kind of nice, and then you can press play to continue recording, and then when you're done recording, you're just going to hit stop. And so this is really neat. After you've done this, you can play it and listen to it again. Your settings are just, again, the same things as they were before. But when you click on this save and share, then you get a whole bunch of options for your audio recording. The first thing you'll notice is that you can share this through a variety of different social media apps. So Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, WhatsApp, or email. You can also just copy the link to this Vocaroo. So if I just put this into a new tab, it's just going to take me back to that recording where I can go and listen to it. And then if I go back here underneath some of the other options, you could grab a QR code for it. So if you click on that, you can save your QR code. You can also embed it, which I want to show you in a minute. And then you can also download the audio. So if you download the audio, then you can maybe upload this back to your Google Drive, and then you can embed that audio into Google Slides. So that's kind of a handy way of getting audio into your Google Slides. But I like this embed because then I can take my embed code here and just copy it and paste it anywhere I can put an embed code. And so this is really neat. For example, you could go to Google Sites, and then you could go to embed and embed code, and then just paste that code right in there. Click on next, and then click on insert. And so that's put that Vocaroo right into our Google site. So you could play it directly on here, or you can view it on Vocaroo. And so you can embed that, say, on a Google Sites. You could also embed that within your learning management system. Pretty much anywhere that takes an embed code, you can put your Vocaroo. And so that's a really nice way to be able to embed audio very quickly into pretty much anywhere on the web. Now, my recommendation is that you have your students download their audio and then delete it, just to protect their privacy, because there's not a whole lot in terms of their privacy statement on here. It does say a little bit about the data and how it stores the data, but just to keep them safe, you might want to do that. And then on the About page, there's also some really good information if you click on their frequently asked questions page. So they give you a little bit of information about how long recordings last, what the time limit is, and how to delete your recording, as well as a few other things. So that's really a very quick overview of Vocaroo, what it can do, and how to use it. So go give it a try and tell us what you think. You can leave your comments in the comments below. Thanks so much for checking out this video. We'll see you in the next one.